Guys,
Hi.
we're back with the new survival games. Me and my little brother Zach. He should be on here momentarily. I'm not sure.
Yeah, I'm coming in right now.
All right. Yeah.
Wait.
Right now.
Look, this is like that fiery hacker guy.
Where are you?
I'm not there yet. I told you.
God damn, Zach.
I didn't know.
But yeah, so we right now are playing on ZexyZex server.
OmegaRealm.com.
Yeah, OmegaRealm.com.
Oh,
Oh, there he is. There.
Said Omega.
Oh my God. Okay. Major like.
Okay, come here.
Zach, where are you? Oh, okay.
I'm over here.
Hello.
Where are you?
Zach, go click.
Click.
I'm in.
Click.
Zach.
Lagging. Oh,
We're
let's go to the
in.
Misty Mountains.
We're going to Misty Mountains, everyone. That is Misty Mountains right there.
Wait, dude. See
Yes,
if you
Hobbit
can lag
reference.
through the chest. I'm gonna see if you can lag.
Nah, Zach, they don't get filled up until the game starts.
Oh, I got 3 arrows on, and then I got another.
Oh my God, Zach, I'm running.
And two apples. Okay, that
Oh my
sounds
gosh.
wrong. I said another booby. Oh wait, what?
My God.
I said I'm.
Zach, just stop talking.
Booty.
Just so you might have a little bit of dignity left saved.
Hey, look, there's a troll guy.
But
You are
What?
not trolling.
there may be only 2. Oh shit! It's
wow.
yeah. Shit, that was weird.
Logan, you're not going to Misty Mountains.
I'm getting the loots. I got startled and ooh. It's a yellow chest. Yellow, and a raw fish.
I saw.
Are you serious?
Okay.
Oh, you got.
Hey, there's nothing.
There's nothing.
Yeah, there's nothing in the chest.
Are you serious? Try it again.
I'm trying it. I've tried it like 5 times.
Zach!
Help.
Yeah! I'm coming. Wait, was anyone up here first? Zach, look out behind you. There's a person I just saw. Oh my gosh, there is a battle royale
Should
of
we
death.
some toy? That is from.
No, that is Bayesian Canadian right there. And yeah,
Wait, I'm Bayesian Canadian.
No, I said that is from Bayesian Canadian.
Oh, okay, I think I said that is.
Oh, Zach, I found 5 arrows for the bow that we do not have.
Oh, we can
Oh
poke
gosh,
people.
I'm getting.
Look,
Zach,
we can poke people.
I'm gonna poke this guy. Poke,
Oh,
poke.
wait, no.
Oh yeah, he has a. Oh,
Yeah, I'm run.
oh gosh.
Ash, I'm getting hurt.
Zach, I might get killed. I'm not
Yeah,
sure.
I am almost dead. Logan, I will avenge you. Rain down from the heavens.
Oh god, that was terrifying. Oh, okay, I'm still running, everyone.
Yeah, I'm running behind you.
And okay,
Okay,
guy with a yellow sword.
Quick fact: do this to jump.
Zach, they
whenever
can't
you,
see what you're doing.
hit space a lot of times.
Zach,
Under 2 blocks spaces.
Oh,
is
oh,
will
there
make
you are.
go
Hello.
really faster.
I'm going for this
That
chest.
is also
loot.
Bayesian
Boink.
Canadian tactic.
Oh my god, Zach, I'm getting. Oh, I'm dead.
No, I'm not gonna die. Okay, maybe I am.
Okay,
Oh,
I'm floating.
Yeah,
Oh,
died
jeez.
I hit the ground too hard.
Oh wow, nice work. As you can see, we're not exactly what you call pros at Hunger Games.
We are just homemade.
That makes absolutely no
I
sense.
know. I can't get it. People are, hey, look, it's a Navy SEAL that you kill.
Oh yeah, right. That sounds terrible. Like I said.
Oh,
Oh my
Logan,
god, Zach, this person has
Come
like.
to the other side.
Zach, this person has like an amazingly similar skin to you.
Okay, Logan, come to the other
I
side.
was like, look at this. Oh, Zach, it's starting. Zach. What?
There's none to join. Logan, keep on pressing it. Do what trolls do,
Space,
Logan.
space,
Get in
space.
the middle. Do what trolls do.
I'm a troll.
Well, we actually saw trolls on
Not really.
Roblox. That's also a game.
Yeah.
But me, I play it usually.
Yeah. We played it like once when we were younger.
How old were you when I played it?
I was not. Oh, I'm in.
I think I was 9.
Oh, hello.
I think it was like.
So
last year.
you were last year, and I think I was like.
Oh,
seventh,
Logan, wait, is this
I
the one where? Yes, Logan, I will go on top of the big
believe.
tree.
I'm doing diamond parkour. That is my route.
My
That's
tree.
my route.
My
My
tree.
route.
11, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Logan, you know, you can actually start sprinting on 1.
It didn't work for me, Bigums.
Oh, it worked for me.
Oh, jeez. Oh, no. Come on.
Did you fail?
Yeah.
I'm a kid.
And
Oh, leather cap.
why am I not dying? Shouldn't I be dying right now? Hello.
No,
Oh, finally.
No.
Good save. Nice work.
Oh wait, I got 2 apples. Okay, never mind.
Alright, I'm gonna...
Wait, Tweeter, wait.
Tweeter.
I can't, okay, it's just total blackness for me.
I thought I just... Wait, Zach, you're here.
I know, I
Hello.
just came. And I'm raining down to the
Zach, gotcha.
Do it.
Oh,
Okay, that's not...
I'm not gonna do that. Please.
Hey, look at me. Oh, wait, sticky
Don't
keys.
use sticky keys. Sticky keys should not be alive.
Look at me. Hey, look at up.
Oh, God. That's exorcist shit right there. Oh, my god. Zach, chirp. Chirp. Oh, God.
Okay.
Alright, anytime, people. I mean, okay, I'm in.
Yeah, I'm in. Oh, Misty Mountains.
Yeah, Mr. Mountain. Let's go to Mr. Mountain. This time, maybe they'll frickin' remember to fill in the chests.
Poop. I typed in poop.
Why?
I don't know.
He's
Really?
10, everybody. Just letting you know.
Oh, I know a lot more things than a 10-year-old should know.
Yeah. Alright, 10, 9.
You know that. You live with us.
I do live with you.
Wait, what?
We live with each other. Us and our other brothers.
He's
You
weird.
know.
He's...
We're a crazy family of 7, everyone. Wait, I think 7.
No, seriously, actually 7.
Yeah, 7.
And I do not know how this is quiet right now.
Oh yeah, wooden sword and leather cap.
Oh, I got the leather cap.
No, you didn't. I got
Yes,
it.
I did.
It's like I have it.
Look, give me the leather cap.
I'm not gonna give you my leather
Look,
cap.
I will Sumatori guy off. Sumatori, okay, me.
I'm gonna kill Ninja Zombie.
Look, come here. I need help.
Hold on, I'm gonna kill Ninja Zombie.
I'm gonna get
come on.
fisted to death.
Never say that again.
Why?
I'm not gonna explain this to you on camera. Ninja Zombie, your time has
I'm
come.
raining from the heavens. Okay,
Now
oh my
Rubik's
God.
Cube
Lag
guy.
just killed me.
Ha! Finally, you died first. Oh, come on.
So how much are we gonna do? Is this gonna be the last one or?
It depends on how short it is.
Okay, am I in the block?
You
the
are
block.
you are indeed in the block.
Like the block.
No.
Like,
Alright, we just gotta be waiting here just for
Like
a
a
little
block.
while. Never say that.
like the
Zach, can you
block.
seriously stop? Where? Who's hear me?
Right behind.
You know what I don't understand? People call him Herobrine and Herobrine, and I personally think it's Herobrine.
Yeah.
What do you guys think? Leave your comments in the comment section below.
Yeah.
Hit that like button.
Okay.
There is a I can't tell if that's Osama bin Laden next to me with like that weird like checkered.
I think he's
Jumpsuit?
supposed to be a jail escaper
He
person.
kind of looks like Osama bin Laden. Not gonna lie.
Hey, Logan, here's that. Wait, what?
Anyone know a cops and Oh, I'm in.
Oh, Logan,
Oh, Nuketown.
Logan, I will probably get an iron sword like I usually do here.
I am probably gonna die within 5 seconds of the game. Wait, okay, 10, 9.
I lost connection.
No! You're still here, it claims.
I am.
Yeah.
Logan, I will, really?
I will win this for you!
It's a bad,
Ooh,
bad
apple.
Logan.
Nice work, bro.
Logan, win this for,
Well, that's probably...
win this for Mother Russia.
I'm not Russian, though. I'm American and from Maine.
Win this for Mother Russia.
I'll win this for Maine.
I'm sorry, guys, but I still
I will
do
win
not
this
have,
for Canada. Oh my god, okay.
Thingy, so
Oh.
you can watch me. Whatever
Zerk!
thingy.
You
Yeah,
already
I'm not
explained this in the last video.
I know. I want to be not.
I want to be the very best, like no one
Oh
ever
my
was.
God, Osama bin
Pokemon.
Laden. It's Osama bin Laden.
My
And
god.
I just saw a pig dude.
Ooh, this is probably looted. Yeah, it's looted. Oh god, it's a guy in the yellow.
Please die, Logan.
Wow. Thank you, Zach. Oh, it's a King Baka. Hey.
But one
Wah,
day, I
wah.
promise you will be able to watch my perspective. My perspective.
Probably not, because he's playing on a real shitty computer right now.
Oh, yeah, it's actually a window.
Even though Windows are better than Macs.
They are?
Not, yeah, they're actually way better than Macs. Just mine's. He's playing on my computer right now, and it's filled with like virus galore.
Oh yeah, like it probably has 1,000.
Little of that, maybe 1,700. I think it was 1,700.
Yeah, didn't you try to clear it one time, but the virus was
Zach, the audience does not want to hear our computer virus stories. That is not interesting.
Okay, so one day it grew up to be a
You
bit.
get lucky if I don't backhand you right now.
You mean the other word?
Hand back?
No. What is a hand back?
I don't know.
You must be really friendly.
I really am. God, I'm just gonna sit in the corner.
So can I play
Eating apples.
Halo number? That was a long time before we started recording.
Alright, a guy with a girl with a... Oh, no, please!
Okay, you're here.
Alright.
You're here, Logan. Don't say my regular name. Actually my real name.
Alright, well guys, thank you for watching that video. Leave a like button down, would be very appreciated. Hit subscribe. I am new to this, so that would mean a lot to me, so alright. Goodbye, guys.
Bye!